IELTS writing task 1. Let's discuss the best tips for this writing task 1 for academic students, especially for academic students. First one is, do not repeat the same question statement in introduction paragraph, that is first paragraph. Most of the students do. Let's look at the example first. This is question statement for writing task 1. Okay, most of the students do one mistake here. They usually repeat the same as it is the same statement, same words given in the question, but you have to paraphrase this question without changing the meaning of this question statement. Like, instead of writing graph, if you are aware about which type of graph is this, you should write in the answer line graph. The line graph shows. You should not write the word shows. You should in fact write illustrates or depicts. If there are like here only one graph is there. If there are 2 or 3 graphs, then you must write the word like the line graphs, illustrate. Next one is, you have to you may write as it is same word for like this CO2, and you don't need to change the word like United Kingdom, Sweden and Italy, like these are the countries name. Of course you can't change the name of these countries, but you can change the like per person, average, shows, below, graph. These words you can paraphrase, or you can use simple synonyms instead of using the same word for the introduction paragraph. Okay, let's discuss the second point. Some of the students usually are having a habit of adding additional information regarding the topic in task 1. Please do not add additional information regarding this topic. Third is, do not add figures in overview, means second paragraph. Do not add figures in overview. Like you should only explain about the trends or significant changes you can see in the graph. Third one is, in the main body paragraph, this is important, do not write unnecessary information. For example, let's discuss this example. This is a graph. Here there is a data regarding income status of a person or some groups during the whole year from January to December. So you should not discuss each and every month. Instead you should not use. Most of the students make mistake. They used to write about every month. Instead you should combine the information with 3 or 4 months or half yearly, or you can say for 3 months or quarterly income. 3 months is quarterly, that is quarterly. You can combine the information like quarterly. You can explain this, and from here to here, and July, August, September, and last October, November, December. You can combine these kinds of information rather than writing unnecessary information for each and every month here. So we have discussed here the best tips for IELTS writing task 1. Thank you so much.